Productions. These niggas run around here like S-Needs ain't got bars. These niggas is crazy. You know what? I'ma recycle on these niggas, cause I don't need to do nothing else but recycle. Little niggas. Man, these niggas is funny, running around with those flags in their back pocket, till I cock it and sit you on your back pocket. Nigga, stop it, you try and take what's mine? My feet ain't moving, nigga, but motherfucker, it's hammer time. You getting green like lime, I squeeze the juice out you, nigga. You ain't a real fucking thug, these niggas spoofing niggas, acting like you a pimp. Fucking Cupid nigga, acting like what you ain't, fucking stupid nigga. Acting all tough when you chillin' with your crew. When I walk by, it's just you looking down at your fucking shoe, nigga. Real still recognize real, I'm still with the steel, cause niggas still wanna steal. Motherfucking battle, cause he's a fucking snake, get close, hear the nigga rattle. He don't wanna battle, I'm BK all day, this nigga certified. All the way to the Met, just a murder guy. I've been saying I'm the best for 2 years, nigga thought the sky to choke on his blood, yeah nigga swallow your pride. This nigga think he fuck with me, come on Fiezo, come harder. I'm not blood or crip, if I was a part of one of those clips, it's like blue blood when it hits the ear. Who originated this shit, nigga? Niggas can't fuck with me, man. These niggas out here. I heard what that nigga said about that real nigga shit and talking about being on a fucking street and shit. Let me tell you something. Fuck street cred, alright? When you take your own fucking bread and you buy food for families that's in need and you expect nothing back, then come back to me and tell me about what's a real nigga. When you provide haircuts for families that can't fucking, come back to me and tell me what's a real nigga, alright? That nigga's getting misconstrued, what's a nigga, real nigga or not? That fucking gang banging, flagging, and all the dumb shit, killing for no reason. That's not what a real nigga is. So when y'all niggas is real niggas, then tell me about what the fuck a real nigga is. That's all I gotta say about that. Little niggas. South Flow Productions, baby. S-Needs out this bitch.
Don't even look at me wrong.
Man,
when
some
I come
things,
through
nigga.
the hood, ain't nothing changed.
I still kill, nigga. Y'all ain't fucking with me.
When I hit the block, I still
Yo, Fiezo,
kill.
K-Con.
And I don't want, nigga, but I will.
You need to sit down somewhere. You ain't fuck with the bars. I got something for you right here, yo. Check it out. I still kill, yes I will. When I feel blood spilling from the spill, barrel turning like a mill. You niggas gonna chill. I'm not talking about a pill. I slit your fucking throat, your neck looking like a kill. You niggas do what you feel with that mean ass grill. When I walk by, look away, you niggas know the fucking drill. You not fucking with my rhymes, nigga, I said it 1,000 times. My lines keep running like a tread, it reclines. You gonna pay like fines, so get the picture like signs. Or the body count is gonna multiply like times. Respect grows like crimes, you got nerve like spines. Try and fuck with mine, your eyes closed like blinds. Take two like thighs, then piece like pies. Then me and beans are dipped behind the shades like eyes. You not a goon that's lies, you fuck with blue like skies. I'm trying to get in the rap game to get bread like rise. You cross the fucking line and your soul gonna rise.
Don't even look at me wrong when I come through the hood. Ain't nothing changed, still I like my homies. Oh, and when I hit the block, I still will kill. And I don't